Do you want to have a smooth, wrinkle-free, permanent white skin? With Whiteoncream, you can achieve the flawless snow white skin you dream of. New Whiteoncream is an innovative beauty cream designed to white skin tone. The new formula Whiteoncream enriched with many effective ingredients, especially retinol, hyaluronic acid and glutathione. It can reduce pigmentation and freckles, soften skin and lighten complexion, leaving your skin a clearer, softer and more radiant. Whiteoncream does not contain any harsh or abrasive ingredients, so it shouldn't irritate your sensitive skin. All ingredients are safe. There are no side effects. 96% of users reported skin lightening or even skin tone. Conditions such as melasma, hyperpigmentation, dark spots, acne scars, and discoloration all showed improvements when using Whiteoncream. Every girl dreams of having a beautiful skin, healthy and attractive. Whiteoncream will help you to achieve this dream easily. Thanks to its brightening effect, the cream helps to hide imperfections, tones and tightens your face. It works against the brown spots and make your skin softer, brighter and fresher. Your best clothing is your skin. Place your order now.